Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by having 2 ripe avocados and scooping the flesh into a bowl. This sets texture from the start. Once done, sprinkle 1/4 tsp salt and press with a fork to break down the fruit. Coarse mash preserves creaminess and body. Make sure to reserve 1/2 lime. You'll add juice later to balance fat and prevent browning. You're acting now to control grain and seasoning, so keep a portion slightly chunkier for mouthfeel. Now you build flavor. Add 1/2 lime juice to brighten and stop browning, then fold in 1/4 cup minced onion for bite. Once incorporated, mix 1 small minced jalapeno for heat, seed to tame it, along with 1/4 tsp cumin for a subtle warmth. Stir in 1/4 cup chopped cilantro and 1/2 diced tomato if you want fresh acidity and texture. As you mix, taste and adjust salt. Layering flavors now prevents flatness later. To finish, taste and adjust salt, lime, and jalapeno. You want a balanced citrus lift and salt that enhances avocado. Once adjusted, let it rest 10 minutes so flavors meld, and make sure to press plastic wrap onto the surface to minimize browning. If your guacamole is too thin, add another small mashed avocado to thicken. If it tastes flat or slightly bitter, a little extra lime and another pinch of salt will revive it. Serve fresh and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.